It was raining for 3 days straight when that old Miami took to rise. And when it finally come that the levees break, well, it just get down to who survives. They sent us all regards on penny picture cards so we could see it in their eyes. Now if you listen, you can still hear the spirits of the river change sing a solemn tune, March 13, ring around the hard and hallowed plains. When a church bell rung and Easter Sunday brung mud, water, and rain. Mud, water, and rain. Life would never be anywhere near the same. Big river refrain, sing about mud, water, and rain. Sing about mud, water, and rain. They sent trains of flatbed boats and old manila ropes among the ruins of ash and lime. Beat the fires down, took to higher ground, and brought the city back to life. But time will never please the faded memories